How to convert 20,000 IU to milligram? At first we will convert IU to microgram, then from microgram we will convert milligram. So look, to convert this IU to microgram, you can do this. So to cancel this IU part from this conversion equation will be denominator. This part will be numerator, microgram. Again to cancel this microgram part will be denominator and this part will be numerator. So now multiply 20,000 1 means 20,000 divided by 40 times 1000 milligram. Now cancel this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0. So we are getting 20 divided by 40 times 1 means 40 milligram. Now cancel this 0, this 0. If you divide these two, you will get 1. If you divide 4 by 2, you will get 2. So 1 over 2 milligram. If you divide 1 by 2, 2 goes into 1 0 times 2 0. Subtract 1, take here decimal, add 0. Bring down the first 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come here. 2 goes into 10, 5 times 2, 10. So our answer is 0.5 milligram. This is the answer.